Hi, I'm Clare Kumar, corporate productivity expert and creator of Productivity CPR, the holistic model for sustainable performance. And I have some ideas for you today on how to boost your productivity. So, a lot of clients tell me that at the end of the day, they've worked hard, but they don't feel fulfilled. They don't think they've knocked anything material off their list. So, if that sounds like it might be you from time to time, I want you to think of these three things. Number one, I want to make sure that you are getting the rest that you need. So, number one is understanding how much sleep that you need and then making sure that you're getting that amount of sleep in a 24-hour period. If you haven't had quality sleep during the night, then consider a period in the day a really good investment to take to basically reboot your brain. I recommend a 15 to 20-minute nap. You want to put your head down on your desk, find a quiet spot, put some headphones in, go to a wellness room if you're lucky enough to have one. Set a 20-minute alarm, lie down, make it dark, stop the incoming stimulation, and take some rest and repose. Guaranteed that you'll come out of that feeling refreshed, thinking much more clearly, being able to better manage your relationships, being patient, and making good decisions. So tremendous benefits to being rested. Number two, do not start your day by looking at your email list and responding to the inquiries that have come overnight. Really, what I want you to do is have a period of time in the morning and again in the afternoon for intentional, focused work. Things that you've decided you need to do before you start responding, reacting to everything that comes in. So setting that time and scheduling it in your calendar, all of a sudden it'll appear there, and I call your calendar the daily roadmap. If you're going to respond to that, that's going to make sure that at the end of the day, you're feeling good about having done something that you really wanted to get done. Number three, for that period of focus time and any other time that you don't want it to be interrupted, I really want you to think about what notifications and invitations to interrupt you have been allowed or invited into your life. The only notifications you want are those things that are going to serve to help you shift your attention from one area to another. You don't need a notification for something that you're automatically going to check anyway. So turn all of those notifications off. Use only those ones that are going to help you meet an event or an appointment on time. And pardon me, look forward to a much more focused, relaxed, engaged time in the work that you want to accomplish. So I hope those tips have helped you. And if you would like to find more information, you can find me at clarekumar.com. It's Clare without an I, CLAREKUMAR.com. Have a wonderful day.